Everything I do is whoa.
Hey man, we are back with another video. I know it's been some time, but obviously last week was Thanksgiving. I barely even took a tray. I think I maybe took one tray, and that was on Monday, and I didn't even post that. But we back with it, and we starting off with some live. I think I'm gonna start doing live just because I feel like that's when I'm at my best. And I'm saying that's when I'm at my most patient, is when I'm doing live. Maybe because it's a psychological thing, because I got people watching me. I don't know. But let me get into setting my stuff up right now, get my team together, and then we're gonna get into the charts. Give me 1 second. Get my Discord up. I'm actually looking forward to live trading now, or just live trading more, fam. I feel like I've been off, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to what we need to get to. Go live. Alright. Make sure I'm still recording. Alright, so there is one in particular trade that I like on CL. I think we're in a great position for sales right now. I'm gonna be patient with it. It is Monday. We do have news at 9 a.m. Don't think it would affect CL as much, but as you can see, we're kind of moving sideways on CL right here. Like, this is on a daily time frame, so this is a long time where we kind of just been moving sideways. I do think we're still bearish. We're not getting any higher highs right now, so I think bearish activity is still more prevalent. But all we could do is just take what we see. Since that is on a daily time frame. I go down to the 4 hour. Nothing really showing on the 4 hour, but if I go down to the 2 hour, you can see we've got one order block sitting right here, right? We got this order block. And then we just tapped into a fair value gap and a order block. So it tapped the fair value gap and it tapped the order block, which is perfect, right? And then if I pull out my fib, come on now, get it to me. You can see that we are in a premium. Like, we tapped into that premium. So what I'm looking for is the sell right here. So we got one. We got tapped into a order block and fair value gap, right? We also got a premium. So we got a good, and we're bearish. So that's 3 already confirmations, right? Bearish on a higher time frame. So 3 confirmations right now where I want to take sales. The last confirmations I need is some sort of market structure shift on a lower time frame. Now, we did get it on a 5-minute, as you can see, and we kind of just tapped into. Man, this actually look good right here. If I can get a break of the candle, I might get into this, because we got a market structure shift on a lower time frame, which is what I need. Preferably, I would love the market structure shift to be down here, but you take what you can get, right? So we got this market structure shift. And that market structure shift left the fair value gap. We're now tapping into that fair value gap, right? And I do believe that we're gonna go down if we can get a bearish candle close, right? And I'll be looking to take 1 or 2. You know what I'm saying? 1 or 2. Risk to reward on this. Let's see what we get, man. Let's see what we get. It is a Monday. Hold on, let me get my stuff together. I got Top Step. And then I got Trader Bait. Let's go to the 5-minute. All I'm looking for is a break of the candle. So I need a break of this candle. It could be this one right here, but depending on how this close, I really just kind of want some bearish momentum to tell me that we're in the right place, right? Let me put an alarm right here. Set an alarm right there. I love the rejection right there, man. Love that rejection. Love the rejection. So I'm looking for this bearish movement right here. Ideally, I would love for this to be under this 200, but you gotta take what you can get, right? And just be mindful of that. Once I get that bearish break, then I'm gonna hop in, stops above right here, or whatever my 2 to 1 is. I'm gonna hop in that, man. We do got news, but again, I don't think news is gonna affect CL as much. If we get a break of this candle if this candle breaks this candle, I'm getting in. Let's see what gold is talking about while we wait on that. We're kind of in that middle ground right now, but I do feel like we're bearish. I mean, not bearish, bullish. We just tapped this, what's this called? Volume imbalance right here. So we should get some momentum coming down, but then eventually buy back up is what I would want to see. I want to see a buyback up. And then YM. I'm not trading these today. I don't think I'm trading the CL. We're just bullish right now. That's the only thing I see on YM is just bullish momentum. Until we can get some sort of retracement down, I won't be taking it. Like filling this gap right here. This gap is what I want to fill. Until then, I won't be taking anything because we're just extremely bullish. And it's on 2 hour, 4 hour like that. Yeah. I need price to come settle itself out, man. At least come retest this area. But CL, that's the one I'm looking for right now. That's the one I'm looking for. And I'm going to take this sell on both accounts. It is a Monday, so we're not going to risk too much. But, I mean, as long as it's giving me what I need to see, I'm taking it. As long as it's giving me what I need to see, I'm taking it. Again, waiting for this break. We've got 45 seconds left, so if it closes like this, I like it. Again, my stops will be somewhere up there. All right, we got that break. We got the break that I'm looking for. Let's make that a 6. I'm gonna sell right there.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna sell here.
Order filled.
All right, we in that thing. Let me see where I got in. I love that break right there, man. I love the break. I love the momentum. That's what I need to see. Where I get in at 74. So a little off from what I wanted, but the momentum hitting. So that's all I really care about. If we being real, that momentum is hitting. Put my stops right there. I do think we're probably going to hit previous day low, but I might leave a runner if so. Or if we can come back up just a little bit. But we in that thing. Let's move that. Now it's just a waiting game right now. We saw everything we need to see, right? So let me pull this back up. Where we at with it? Where we at with it? Hold on. We're going to be patient, right? We're going to be patient. Here are the reasons why I got into this. Oh, let me put this lower time frame. Market structure shift. All right. Oh, we also got the fair value gap after the market structure shift or displacement. See what I'm saying? Everything is aligning, so we're going to keep, look at that push, man. As long as we continue to push like this, we should be able to hold and take out these lows. I'm going to take profit at my 2-to-1 now. Take profit at my 2-to-1. I mean 1 or 2. I might leave a runner, but I went extremely light on this account. It's a 250K account. I only went 3 contracts. It's a Monday, so you know what I mean. We hit our 1-to-1. I don't really want to put my stops at break even yet, unless we close below some of these lows. Only reason I'm saying that is just because the way CL moves, right? I know CL. I know how it moves. It could come back up here and then drop, you know? So yeah, man, this CL trade hidden. All the confirmations, man. All the confirmations, looks. All confirmations. We got, you know what I'm saying? We tapped into a higher time frame order block and fair value gap on the 1 hour and 2 hour. The 2 hour is the order block. The fair value gap was on the 1 hour and 2 hour. We was in a premium, right? Which means we retraced just enough to balance this move out right here, this drop. We're bearish on a higher time frame, so sales is more likely for me. Lower time frame market structure shift to confirm that we want to continue down, and then we got that displacement and a break of the candle push down. So everything's pretty much aligning. We're just gonna hit our target and be out of there. That's all I need, is to hit that target and be out of there. Again, I didn't risk a lot on this. 3 contracts, so it's probably gonna be about maybe $1,100 win. But I'm gonna take that on a Monday. I'm taking that. Another confirmation for me as well is the low resistance liquidity. Yeah. Which is basically the trend line liquidity. You trade trend lines? This right here. This trend line right there. I don't do trend lines, but if all whatever confirmations that you got, keep them things. If they work for you, keep them. All I need, you see the confirmations I got and why I got into this. Look at this, bro. We about to hit TP and we ain't even had one red candle yet, or one bullish candle yet, and we about to hit TP. This is what I like, man. And it's a Monday. I'm gonna take my money as soon as we get here. I know we coming for these lows. I just know it, fam. But at the same time, I'm trying to not be greedy. I'm gonna probably leave one runner, right? Cause I'm not stupid. I'll leave one runner. Put my runner somewhere around here. Put my stops. I mean, somewhere around here as it drops. Just cause look at the momentum. You feel me? Like you gotta take advantage of it, but. I'm going to take my 1,000 and leave the rest to be a runner. What's good for the people who just hopped in, man? I don't know if y'all was able to hop in fast enough to take this trade with me, but I told y'all last week, we on it, be on time. We on it, so be on time. It's like when lows keep getting stacked like a trend. Oh, right here. You talking about this? Yeah, I feel you. No, I'm not worried about news if it wasn't CL. If it wasn't CL, I would be worried about news. Right? If it's CL news, then I'll be worried. YM, and you see what? That's why I didn't take these two, just because we got news coming up. Come on now, we almost there. Hit the target now. Hit the target. What's that 15 minute looking like? Oh yeah, come on, just hit it. That's the 1 hour looking like. This is easy, man. I started my live at 8:20. 8:20 I started my live. It's now 8:40. You know what I'm saying? So get in and get out. Again, for everybody who's hopping on, make sure y'all hopping on time. On time, man. Cause I broke this down in the very beginning of what I wanted to see. We got exactly what I needed. Now we're just waiting to see if TP gonna hit, which I don't think it's not going to hit, but looks like we want to play around a little bit before dropping. You know what I'm saying? Welcome. I see some people hopping on. I'm still gonna stay on even after. I'm stay on a little bit for y'all even after. Because I know a lot of y'all just hopping on and probably missed this move with me, but tomorrow y'all better hop in on time. On time, man. It's a beautiful move. Almost about to hit TP. I'm just waiting patiently, man. Appreciate you, Leah. It said it feels like whenever you get a good push, the market always wanna, yeah, it just wanna stop barely before your TP. Yeah, but it's like you just gotta be patient. Just be patient and know what you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? And if you see something that like, if you see like, damn, the market ain't really giving me what I needed to give me, or it looks like it's about to reverse, then hop out. Take what you can get. It's 8:45. I took this move happened at like 8:40, I think 8:30, 8:35 or something like that. Damn, look how close that was. Stop playing and come on. Run through that thing. Let me get ready to take my partials. Cause they playing. Get ready to take my partials. I'm going to take 2 of them things. I'm just waiting. Come on now. There we go. TP just fucking hit, fam. Then look at it. TP hit and it just shoots up.
Order filled.
All right, yeah. We out of there. I left one runner. Hold on. Would it make sense for me to just... I just want to see what it's going to do. I left one runner. I just want to see what it's going to do. But TP hit, man. You see the candles? All, like, we barely got any type of resistance. Which means we got the actual top of the move, right? The beginning of this move. Now, I guarantee you probably going to come, take some of this out, retrace just a little bit, and then come fall down. Or we might just, knowing CL, we could just fall all the way down, to be honest with you. If we been honest. We could just fall. What y'all trying to trade, man? Let's look at something else. You've never traded CL, I might have to start looking. I'm telling you, I've been telling y'all since I started here. CL is a sleeper, fam. It follows structure a lot. Now, sometimes it has its days, you know what I'm saying, where it's just trendy, where it ain't even coming back. But when it moves, and it moves very smoothly. You know what I'm saying? That's why I trade CL so much. And I've been telling y'all, a lot of people have put CL as their secondary pair just off watching what I've been doing. So, which I would recommend. Like, don't switch up your normal, like what you've been doing, but see if you could bring in CL as your secondary. I'm just chilling, getting ready to fund my live account today. Had to tap in though. Oh, you funding your live account? I fuck with it, Lux. I fuck with the live accounts. Make sure you still have, in my recommendation, still have some on the side, not just your live account. Like, still do like maybe a challenge real quick. And if we want to really talk about it, Apex got a 90% off today. So if you ain't used my code yet, tap in and use my code, 90% off today, which means you can get a 250 account for maybe $20. $250 account for $20. Y'all better tap in. 90% off. You already took Nas buys at the open. Ooh, you take open, fam? You a real one. Cause how? Well, this is YM. I don't take Nas. This right here is beautiful. Let me see something before I talk myself out of it. But I see sales coming down to these lows, but you nervous? That's why I can't do. I can't really do right at the open just because I like to feel very calm when I trade. I like to feel very calm. Like, I don't like to second guess my entries or nothing. But the open be right when you can get your best. Like, it gives you that push and you can get in and get out. The open is for scalpers for sure. The open is definitely for scalpers. You know what I'm saying? Get in, get out type shit. I like YM right now for the sales. I like this displacement. You know what I'm saying? This is some lower time frame AMD right here, accumulating, push up to manipulate and then displace down. So this is a lower time frame. I don't know how far it's gonna come down. Like I was saying before, like for the people who weren't on here before, I wouldn't want to buy until I can get price to come down here at the very least, like retest this area. That's when I want to buy. I'm not touching it until it gets there. You said I was in it for like 5 minutes. The true scalper right there, especially if you're talking about at the open. Oh yeah, let's see what that runner do for me. Let's see what the runner do. Gold. I ain't really seen much right now. Oh, that was beautiful right there. We talking buys. I do think we're gonna buy. We are in a trend right now, right? We just took some liquidity right here. Now, if I know gold the way I think I know gold, we coming down just a little bit more. Like I wouldn't buy right here. I would wait just a little bit. That's just me. I would miss it on the move if it don't come down just a little bit more. Like not close down here, but just like give me a little bit. Let me see what the 1 minute looking like. Just like right, just come back down just a little bit more, man. One more time. 15, like another 15-minute candle. Come down. Give me a little wick. Cause we just tapped that fair value gap, so we should ideally, you know what I'm saying, hold it because we are breaking structure to the upside. We should ideally hold this area. I don't see it why I would want to come all the way down unless we're at, let me see, on a higher time frame at a premium to where it wants to shoot down for a minute. Yeah, I could see it come down just a little bit. See, we're at that premium, right? From this move to this move, we're at a premium and we just hit a volume imbalance. So that's why we're getting that rejection right here. So it could come down just a little bit before coming back up. I do still think we're bullish. I don't really see much that is saying we're bearish right now. So I would just wait for more confirmation to buy, and we're at this 1 hour. You see how it's going through the middle? I don't really like that. Especially on the 1 hour, this 200 EMA is going through the middle, which means you might get a lot of liquidity today. It might be a lot of liquidity today. I can't remember, is there a payout limit for Apex? Yeah. So per account, you like say you got a 250K account. Per account is $3,000 for a 250K account, I think. And then it goes like lower after that. You can take out $3,000 per account. So say you got 5 accounts, that's $15K right there you could take out. You know what I'm saying? But that's why it's good to stack. So that's why it's good to take advantage of that promo. Because if you can get 5 accounts for $100 right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'll take advantage of it. I don't know when. I think it ends tomorrow, the actual sale. So, you know. I like stacking accounts just because you ain't got to risk a lot. You ain't really got to risk a lot. The only thing about it is Apex, you only get, for the first 3 months, you only can take out $3,000 per account, which is, I don't like that shit, but it is what it is, man. Sometimes you just got to take what you can get. Just diversify, you know what I'm saying? As far as having multiple accounts, go with the 3 I would go with is Top Step, Apex, and Take Profit. Take Profit got I think they got something right now where they got 40% off. No activation fees. There's no limit on your payout either. You just got to be above the buffer. And you get your initial payment back, like your initial that you pay for the account, you get it back. So they got a promo right now called with no fee 40. So you type in no fee 40 on Take Profit, you get 40% off the account, no activation fee. So when you pass, you do not have to pay for an activation fee. And once you get your first payout, they refund you your what you paid out. Kind of like what the Forex people was doing. You know what I'm saying? Where you get a refund after you get a payout type shit. So my runner going, man. Yeah, I would take advantage of all of them. Top Step ain't really giving. I'm trying to figure out why Top Step ain't giving no discounts right now. They ain't got nothing. They ain't got they ain't had no Thanksgiving, Black Friday sale, no Cyber Monday sale. They ain't have nothing. It is kind of cheap though, but it's like I would, if I was them, I would do something. Runner hitting, fam. Top Step don't give discounts because they rules lenient as fuck. I can see that. Only thing about Top Step I don't like is that you only can take out 50%. But I get it. Like every fucking what's the name has their shit, right? Like with Apex, you only can take out a certain amount per account, right? Then with Top Step, you only can take out 50%. But if you know what you're doing, that shouldn't be a problem. And then with Take Profit, for them, they have a trailing drawdown until you hit your buffer. They have a trailing drawdown on the fucking on the pro account. So that's another thing. My funded futures got 25% off. Okay. And they have no consistency rule and could take out 100% over buffer. That's another thing. The consistency rule with Apex. You gotta have a you can't just make as much money as you want with Apex. You got a consistency rule. That's why I like Top Step too. You ain't got no consistency rule in your pro account. I'm gonna have to look at them. My funded futures. How many of y'all have used them? Let's go look at what's happening with YM right now. Hold on, let me set an alarm. Because I want to see what price do when it gets to certain points. Might have to take my profit. I got a runner with this one. Let me double check that runner, by the way. Because I can't make more than a certain amount now. This is 600, that's 12. Alright, we'll go right there. No activation fee. My funded futures ain't got no activation fee. They pay out fast as fuck. Too, same day I heard. Yeah, CL was clean. Yeah, CL was clean, fam. For a Monday, I'm taking that. That's why I just took what I had. It's $1,000 a day on a 250K account. That's not even 0.5%, right? But for me getting back, because I ain't trade. I took a trade last Monday, but it was barely like I wasn't even, you know what I'm saying, trying to trade that day. And then before that, I ain't take a trade since the week before, like Thursday or something like that. I exclusively use them right now. I'm gonna have to check them out then. Are they expensive as far as their accounts? Like are they expensive? They're the cheapest? They cheaper than Top Step? Hold on now. Let me go look at this real quick. Because you gotta tell me it ain't nothing. Like, what's wrong with them? They're not cheaper than Apex right now. That's because Apex got a sale, like the 90% off. But on a regular when it's not a sale, Apex is not cheap. You can only take out a certain amount. with my Forex fund. I mean, my funded futures. How much can you take out? I'm gonna have to look at them because I ain't really looked at them. The starter accounts. For the starter accounts, 50K only. 1,200 payout. 150K. That's still good. Because with Apex, 250K, you only can take out 300. Yeah, I'm going to check him out. My funded futures. I'm going to check him out. See what I'm saying? Look at this. On gold. Look like we got a... Oh, that's because news. That's what news did. What news do on YM? Nas cooked up crazy. This right here is beautiful for the sale. Wait, let me, I gotta stop just looking at the, yeah. I would just sell. But it's kind of low. So you don't know where it's gonna stop at. Where it's gonna stop selling before it retraces, but I will sell. It might come back up here and tap. But that may be the next hour where it taps back up there. Today had some good little moves now. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too crazy. Should be a great week. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. Regardless, I'm going to trade the way I normally trade. I'm going to trade the way I normally trade. Now it's pushing up or down. I ain't got time to go look, but now it's pushing up or down. It's NFP week. Damn. I think it is. Hold on now. We do got news on a Monday, and that's very rare. So that makes sense if it's NFP week. Jobs. Wednesday. Again, I'm not trading Wednesdays. Taking that day for me. Just have like a break. Unemployment claims and yep, NFP week on Friday. NFP. I'm not really scared of NFP. If I'm being honest with you. I'm not really scared of NFP. I'm more, and I'm not scared of nothing, but I'm just saying I'm more nervous to trade the week of PPI and CPI. NFP ain't as bad no more as it used to be. It used to be real bad. All right, you out? See you tomorrow, Lux. You still got school. It still baffles me that you're in school right now, fam. You're so young, but doing so good. Nah, still going up. Yeah. Well, that's all I got, man. I guess we can. I don't want to keep looking at the charts when I'm done. It's a beautiful Monday. We got in right at a good time. You know what I'm saying? Price hit our target within maybe 15 minutes. So no complaints there. Again, y'all show up on time tomorrow so y'all can be in these trades with me. I told y'all be on it at 8:25. You know what I'm saying? So I think I got. Damn. You alright? I think I got in at 8:30 something. So yeah, make sure y'all show up tomorrow. Again, we doing live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? Don't necessarily mean we're gonna take a trade every day, but I'm here hopping on live with y'all Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. All right. Appreciate y'all for hopping on. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right. Peace.
Vibe blowing at the J. Got the loud jumping at the pay. Everything I'm on slack. Everything I do is